Thanks for watching. My name's Tom Putt, and I just wanted to show you another quick tip here in Lightroom. As I said in my previous video, I'm just tidying up my Lightroom catalog because it's a dog's breakfast, and one of the things I'm looking to do is just categorize all the photographs into the places that I took them by making a collection here on the left-hand side here. And the easiest way I'm finding to do that at the moment is just to go through using the library filter. So go to View, Show Filter Bar, and just clicking on the metadata option up here in the top middle of the screen and going through the month by month, because then I'm seeing where I took the photographs and then being able to put them into some sort of category. I have actually changed the file name on these as well, but say for example all of these are from Mary's Farm. So I click on one, click Command A or Control A to select them all. Or if you don't like using shortcuts, you can just go Edit, Select All. I've selected all the photographs here, and then I click on the plus button here next to Collections, and I click the plus button. And from there I can create a collection, and I'll call that Farm. And when I tick the option to include the selected photos, it will automatically put all those photos into that collection. Just watch here. Okay, so it's creating the new collection. Here's the new collection here. It's called Farm, and there are 116 photographs that I had selected have now been put into that collection. Now I can go back into all my photographs. I can then click on metadata, go back to where I started before, which was 2015. It's just going to take a little while to catch up. 2015, that was back in October. Let's not bother about the other months because there are not many photos in there. I go to 2016 now and I go, right, what did I do in February 2016? Okay, here are a lot of photos here from the Mornington Peninsula. I'll just scroll through all of these to make sure they are from the Peninsula. I'm not going to do anything more with those because I've already got a folder with Mornington Peninsula in there. These are ones from Bendigo when I went up to Bendigo, and I've actually renamed these Bendigo. Just scroll down. Are they all from Bendigo? No, not all of them. So, there's some from Williamstown, and there's all sorts of other things in here. So I'd go to where the ones from Bendigo finish, which is here. Click on that last one, scroll up here, click on the first one with my finger on the Shift key. It selected all of those photos, and then I would go into here and I'd type Create Collection, and I'd type Bendigo, and the year, which I can see from here, being 2016. Now, it's saying that name is already in use because I've already done this one already, okay? But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to categorize your photos just by going through them in some sort of chronological order by filtering them in the library here, and just being able to see the year or the month that you took them, and then being able to put them into collections that way on the side. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. See ya.